Alright, 2018 Gt350 door panel. We are going to have basically right here you're going to have a bolt, and then right over here you're going to have a bolt as well. So we're going to have 2 bolts under there. We're going to pop this piece off, and there's going to be bolts under there, and then we're going to pop this piece out and take those out as well, and I'll show you how those go. Now in here, up at the very top, if you look in here, there's a notch right there. That's where we're actually going to put this little guy in. That way you can just pull this piece out. So put the hook tool up into there. And once you pull it out at this slot up here with your hook tool, there's actually a push pin back there, and then there's also a 10mm bolt we're going to remove. Now that this is removed, and the 2 7mm on the bottom, you can just grab it over here and kind of jerk on it, and it will pull this whole door panel off. Just kind of be very careful when you pull all the way around, and that'll be able to remove the whole panel for you. Here's the stock front speakers. Not too bad of a magnet. Here's the stock rear speakers. Ugh, yucky. Okay, then we're going to use these speaker adapters, 825605 from Metra, which will be these speaker adapters we're going to use on the fronts and the rears, so we can bolt them OEM style. We're going to be doing the Sony GS's in these speaker adapters. We also got these speaker wire adapters, a 725602, so they'll plug right into the factory Ford plugs, so we don't have to worry about cutting, splicing, T-tapping, anything. Here's the fronts. After we put them in the speaker adapters, these are the 4 speaker adapter screws. I went ahead and put extra ones in here just in case because of the weight of these speakers. These are the Sony GS speakers, crossovers, everything. Wired them in with the speaker adapters, and the speaker harnesses, so everything just plugs right in. We're going to mount those in right now. Here's what they look like installed. 3 7mm bolts. Locations. You drill the hole to run the harness through, and there's the finished product, and we're going to put the door panel back on. Okay, in order to do the rear speakers, you must drop the seats, take out the rear quarter panel plastic pieces, top C-pillars, and then you'll remove this whole entire carpeted piece. We've already done that, and then you can actually install the speakers right into the OEM locations. That way you guys know, but you must remove these panels to be able to get to the rear part. Okay, on the A-pillar where the tweeters are, if you look on the back side here, they have got clips, so they just unclip right there. Just to let you guys know, we're going to take these tweeters out and replace them with kicker tweeters.